Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sell on eBay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is decide what type of seller you want to be. There are many kinds of sellers. For example, like there are persons that import stuff from China and then sell it to you right here, and there are persons like drop shippers which connects an order and then gets it and then directly sends it to the customer. Now all you gotta do is just simply select what type of seller you want to be, and the next thing is just signing up to eBay. Now what you need to do is just create your account with a reliable and authentic mail that you can use to conduct business to. And once you're done with that, and the next thing that you need to do is just increase selling limit and feedback score. Now here all you gotta do is just simply increase your selling limit and then check your feedback score as well. Now feedbacks are most important, from which you can upgrade your products and your services as well. Now the next thing that you can do is just select the type of product that you want to sell. The product needs to be evergreen, and the products needs to bring repeat purchase, lightweight, small size, 50% return on investment, competitive age, and low defect rate. Now following this criteria, you search a product which is suitable for you, and in order to search it, what you need to do is just simply search the products through the product finding site like TerraPeak and Zik Analytics, which will help you to sort out the product, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.